Good morning, everyone. Aradhana Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhana and an Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator. I'm sorry, you guys, today, 11 minutes, 10 minutes late. My net wasn't ready to start it. Good morning, Umesh. It's crazy today. Nothing wants me to go online. Hi, Vijay. Sorry. Hi, Prakhar. Hi, Yogjeet. Good morning, everyone. Sorry, guys. Today I've really made you guys wait. Why else is possible? Hi, Shanali. Good morning. Yes, what does honor mean to you? Do you honor you? So, guys, what does honor means to you guys? What is honor to you? So, we know how we honor others and we never honor us. I wonder that's what's happening, because the moment that I wasn't able to go online, I'm like, shit, I'm not able to go online. What's up? Everybody's waiting and blah, blah, blah. Rather than it's like, okay, and I get it, and everything is possible. And then I started asking questions, relax, and it's okay. I mean, you need to honor yourself and you don't have to be panic. So, but how many times we honor others rather than honoring us? Yes, it was showing online and trouble. A lot of trouble, man. Today it was like crazy. But anyways, I'm here. Hi, Uri Kataria. Hello. How are you? Good morning, beautiful. How come you here? Lovely to see you here. So, Ritu says, Hati. Thank you, Hati. So they hotness because I was not able to come online. Anyway, so what is self-honoring? Hi, Payal. Good morning. So how much we honor others and we will give up ourselves, and that's how we've been taught and how we are looking pretty today, I must say. Oh, thank you, Prakha. That really means a lot. Thank you. Hi, Maddie. Good morning. With beautiful smile. Thank you. Awesome. So how much we give up ourselves and our honor and not acknowledging what we mean to ourselves. And we have been trained that you have to keep others happy rather than you happy. And it's always about others, never about you. So what is self-honoring? What if you actually start questioning today, have you ever honored yourself? Or it is like, for the honors of others that we do every time, everything. So, hi Uma, good morning, sweetheart. Good to see you. So for me, it's like, when you're honoring you and you're doing anything to honor you, you can never dishonor others. But when you're doing things to honor others and you're not honoring you, and then you're looking for that honor for yourself, and that never comes. So I remember there was a long back, I had this workshop where I had to invite for my lady who I was hosting. I had to invite people for that class. And I was in the right voice class of mine. And it was like my facilitator called me on the stage and she was like, we have always known Aradhana perfect, Aradhana this, Aradhana that. But could you please invite everybody again? How you would like to invite and let us know who Aradhana is. That was a wow moment. Hey, hello everybody, welcome Pooja, Mona darling, good morning. Hi Simran. So thanks Uma. So it was like, and suddenly I looked into my world and like she asked like, who is Aradhana? And I'm like, wow, I wonder too, who is Aradhana? And it was so funny. I actually went into tears and I'm like, wow, I didn't even know until then who Aradhana is. And it was like, honoring everybody, taking care of everyone and waiting to be like, and I'm like, okay, she's like caring for everyone, just taking care of everyone. And then my tears started dropping that I'm still waiting for somebody to honor me and somebody to care for me. And that day probably will never come, because if I'm not looking towards me and I'm just like, asking others, and that day I started questioning, am I honoring others so that they can honor me back? Or is it that I'm caring for others because so they can take care for me back? Or is it I'm actually honoring others and actually caring for others? But you can only honor others and care for others when you can truly care for yourself and honor for yourself. So what is true care for you? True care, what would a true care mean in your world? True care would be like, for me, it would be like letting me be what I want to be and what I want to do, rather than, being stopped for something what I really want to do. So always allow people to be what they want to be. And true care is standing by them and letting them do what they want to do. And then that is self-honoring. And if you honor yourself, whatever works for you and what doesn't work for you, let it go. But it's like, it's always, that doesn't mean if you're choosing for you, others have to be wrong and you have to fight them out. Good morning, Shivangi. So you don't have to really, really fight for yourself ever. What if you actually start acknowledging that, it's just like if I require something. Oh, thank you, Shivangi says you look so pretty. Thank you, thank you. I think I look pretty today. Everybody is saying that. Thank you. I receive it. Also, thank you. You guys, I think the way you guys look at me makes me pretty. Thank you so very much. Using tools and not letting our mind to chatter is honoring ourselves. Yes. I have been going out of my comfort zone to make others comfortable, but now understand the importance of pleasing my own self. Awesome, Maddie. That is so amazing, and I'm grateful that you guys are getting it, because unless you will not honor you, nobody will honor you. And we are always, always waiting others to honor us. And we will do anything so that they can do back for us. But are we doing that for us? If you're not that energy for ourselves, how can others be that? So long career has been like seeing everyone is happy in their world. No, that's a burden. That's a and even responsibility is not, guys. That responsibility is the ability to respond quickly. It's not actually taking everything on yourself. Umesh says, yes, you are looking so pretty. Thank you, Wish. You guys are making me like now really blush. Thank you, thank you, thank you all. Yes, Ritu says, I honor my existence. Yes, unless you will not honor your existence. So from here onwards, what if you actually start looking what is self-honoring? And it doesn't mean that you're saying no to the other person. If somebody is choosing something, and we have the statement in the Access, and it really works. I remember I started using this for with everybody, especially with my husband earlier. It was like, you're correct, you're totally correct, and I'm wrong. And that was from the force that you are right and I'm wrong. But over the period of time, I kept using, because I was like, no, I have to choose for myself. And for me, choosing for myself and honoring for myself started meaning that I have to fight for what I really want. But then I started using this tool with him. Yeah, you're right and I'm wrong. And everybody would say, yeah, you're right, I'm wrong. But then over the period when I kept using that tool, I actually started looking from their angle. And it was like their specs are blue and mine are red. So they can only see me blue. And that's when it started changing and shifting me. I said, actually you are correct. It's not that I'm just saying that you're correct, but you actually are correct. But that still does not work for me. And that is how it started shifting. And I'm like, wow, if it doesn't make it work for me, I don't have to make other people wrong for it. So now actually I mean it and say it when I tell people, hey, I know it's correct for you, it works. But it does not work for me, and this is not something that works for me. I appreciate it, and that changed my whole world. And it was like, it was long back that I was like proposed by somebody, and when I started like facilitating in Access, and how mostly men used to come to my classes because they're like, oh, I'm pretty, and they wanted to make friends with me. I was funny, but then. So one of the guys actually proposed me, and my face went blue, and I was like, shit, what the hell? Now what do I say here? And then I started pulling my co-founder, Dane. He's energy, because he gets a lot of proposals every day. So I was like, Dane, what do I do here? What do I do here? Like, and I'm like, wow, this man is just like acknowledging me. That doesn't mean I have to fight him out and making wrong. And I really, really put my barriers down, and I received that man. I'm like, yeah, thank you. Thank you for saying that, and I really appreciate it. But that does not work between me and my husband. That's not the deal that works for me. But thank you, I really appreciate. And that day, my whole world changed. And since then, I have like really acknowledged everybody, because everybody's coming from their space. And what we don't have to, how earlier I would have a habit of saying no. And it was like a so big no. Before anything anybody says, I would say no. And my friends would say, you don't listen. You first say no and you reject everything. So, and before this call, I was talking to another friend, and she just said, how much are we rejecting people to actually feel the freedom? And that was like, wow, in my world. So that is when, we've forgotten to honor us, and that's how we've forgotten to honor others. So the moment you start honoring yourself and acknowledging, okay, it doesn't work for me, that doesn't mean the other person is wrong. So from looking from that space, okay, you are correct, I'm correct, but this doesn't work for me. that just changed and shifted everything. I wonder if these examples would work for you, but this is how I kind of keep giving examples from my personal life. But I think because it did make a difference to my life, I always love to share all these tools with everyone. That, you know, if anybody is ever saying anything to you, start looking for your own honor and what does honor looks for you, and then not making other person wrong and just acknowledging, hey, you're right, you're completely right, but that doesn't work for me. And isn't it like you're right and I'm wrong? If you say 3 times to anybody, everybody gets melted and everybody's like, okay, no, it wasn't you, it was us. So that's another tool from Access. You're right, I'm wrong, but that does not mean you're wrong. It just means that you're honoring you and it doesn't work for you, and that actually pleases the other person too. So I wish if that works for you guys, start looking. And more than that, I would say, start looking in your world. What is self-honoring means to you? What does honor means to you? How do you honor yourself? Like, look into your world today, because when I actually for the first time started looking up the self-honoring in myself, it was a big thing in my world. I'm like, shit, I never looked how to honor me. Hi Nidhi, welcome to this space. I think you're joining us for the first time. Thank you for joining in. Alga, good morning. How are you, sweetheart? Awesome. Any questions coming up there? Anything anybody wants to share about yourself around honor? You know how we've learned An, Ban, Shan from all those movies and stuff, but what if you really don't have to fight for it? Thank you so much. Thanks, Vijay, for getting it and receiving it. All right, guys, I guess I have been really making you wait today, and I will leave early because I have a class starting in. So look into your worlds, what the self-honoring looks like to you, and do you really honor you? And do you think if you honor yourself, you will disrespect anybody? No. If you honor you, you will never disrespect anybody. Awesome. Beautiful day ahead. Have fun, guys. Enjoy yourself. And thank you so much for everything. And thank you for your beautiful compliments today. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hope no questions, because I'll just take a leave today.